Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. So today I am here to tell you about singular and plural noun. So in today's video we will discuss what is meant by singular and plural noun, and I will also tell you the rules to change how to change the singular noun into plural noun. So let us proceed. What is a noun? Noun is the name of any person, place, thing or event. Singular noun means one person, one place or one thing. Plural noun means more than one. So in plural noun we are just talking about more than one person, more than one place, thing or event. For example, cat is a singular noun, cats plural noun. Box singular noun, boxes plural noun. Men singular, one man person, men more than one person. Rule number 1. If the singular noun ends with s, double s, sh, ch, x or z, then we add es to make it a plural noun. For example, class, classes, box, boxes, bush, bushes, match, matches. Here you can see the first word class, it ended with double s, so we have added es to make it a plural noun. Then we have boxes ended with x, so we have added ex to make it boxes. Bush ended with sh, we added es to make it bushes. Match, it ended with ch, we added es to make it matches. Rule number 2. If the singular noun ends with o, then we add es to make it a plural noun. For example, hero into heroes, mango, mangoes. Some exception for this rule, the words ended with s, but we add only s to make it plural noun, not es. For example, photo, photos, piano, pianos. Rule number 3. If there are two vowels, remember there are 5 vowels a, e, I, o, u. So if there are two vowels at the end of the noun, at the end of a singular noun, we add s to make it plural noun. Radio, radios, portfolio, portfolios. So you can see it ends with last two words vowel, that is I and o. So we have added s to make it a plural noun. Rule number 4. If the singular noun ends with y and is preceded by the consonant, means it ends with the y and before y we have the consonant. Remember, in alphabets 26 alphabets are there, 5 are the vowels and remaining 21 are the consonant. So if the words end with the y and before that we have the consonant, so we remove the y and add ies to make it plural noun. Fly, flies, city, cities. You can see we have removed the y and we have added ies to make it a plural noun. If the singular noun ends with y and is preceded by a vowel, then we add s to make it plural form. Way, vases, play, plays. You can see y and before y we have the vowel, so we have added s to make it plural noun. Rule number 5. If the singular noun ends with f or fe, then we remove f or fe and add ves to make it plural noun. For example, knife, it ends with fe, so we have removed to make it plural. We have removed fe and we have added ves, knives. Wolf, it ended with f, so we have removed the f and we have added ves, wolves. Is it clear to everyone? Some exception to this rule is if the word ended with f, but we have not removed the word f and we have added s. Proof, proofs, roof, roof. So these are some exception for this rule. Rule number 6. Some singular nouns are changed into plural noun by changing vowels inside the singular nouns. For example, men, we have changes a is a vowel in between m and n, so we have changes into e. That is the irregular pattern of changing the singular noun into plural noun. The words which have vowels in between them. Foot, feet, tooth, teeth, woman, woman. You can see in foot double o, the vowel is in it, so we have added double t to make it plural noun. Feet, tooth, teeth, woman, woman. Rule number 7. Some nouns have same singular and plural form. For example, deer, sheep, pair. So we use it in singular and plural form in the same words. Deer can be used in singular form also and plural form also. We can distinguish singular and plural form. Singular nouns have is, was, has as a helping verb. Plural noun have, are, were, have as a helping verb. For example, there is a deer in the jungle. I saw a deer. It means we are talking about a singular deer. There are deer in the jungle. It means we are talking about the plural deer. A number of deer, more than one deer in the jungle. So with the helping verb, it will be easier for us to know whether we are talking about the singular noun or plural noun. Rule number 8. Some nouns have no singular form. For example, scissors, clothes, trousers. So we use it either in a singular form or plural form. We use it in the plural form. Scissors. For example, I have one scissors. That is also the S form. I bought 2 scissors. So you can see in the both in singular and plural form, we have used the form with S form. Rule number 9. Some nouns that look plural are always singular. For example, news, mumps, measles, politics and mathematics. They are singular, but they have always the plural form. Either we use it singular form or in the plural form. Rule number 10. Some singular nouns have irregular pattern when we change them into plural form. We do not have them specific pattern, so we call them irregular pattern. Medium, media. Fungus, fungi. Bacterium, bacteria. A compound noun is made up of 2 or more than 2 words. We make singular compound noun plural by adding s or es to the second word. For example, brother-in-law, brother-in-laws. Okay, that's all for today.